खड़ा हो। ये क्या है, खड़ा हो।
क्या कर रहा है? हाँ, क्या कर रहा है?
अब बताओ, उस बच्चे के साथ रेप कर रहा है, एकदम प्रॉपर वीडियो, एक जैसे औरत के साथ बलात्कार होता है।
People are sexually assaulting dogs as well, and not only female dogs but male dogs, but that is not in the media. I recorded it, I have it on video.
जब मैं गई उसको देखने, थोड़ा सा आंखें खोली उसने, वही दम तोड़ दिया।
इतना मारा कि आज मेरा एक बच्चा जिंदगी भर के लिए एक आंख से ब्लाइंड हो गया। आज वो दोबारा कभी नहीं देख पाएगा एक आंख से।
Amidst the debate on streets, a darker truth is often ignored. Every day across India, behind closed doors or in broad daylight, dogs are beaten, tortured, doused with acid, and even killed. Their cries rarely find justice, and this is the story of that unspoken reality.
सीसीटीवी में ये दिख रहा है कि उनके जो पेट केयर है उन्हीं के फैसिलिटी में मार रहे हैं।
In Thane, Abhishek left his beloved pets at a boarding facility only to learn that they were beaten black and blue by caretakers.
हमारे बच्चे को वहां पे जो 2 केयर टेकर हैं उन्होंने बहुत मारा, हाथों से मारा, मुक्के से मारा, बेल्ट से मारा, डंडे से मारा। इतना मारा कि आज मेरा एक बच्चा जिंदगी भर के लिए एक आंख से ब्लाइंड हो गया। आज वो दोबारा कभी नहीं देख पाएगा एक आंख से। और इनको मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया गया 20 घंटे तक, छोटे से केबिन में। ना उनको नेचर्स कॉल के लिए लेके गए, ना कुछ भी लेके गए। सो आप सोच सकते हो किसी इंसान को भी अगर आंखों में ऐसे चोट लग जाए और उसे 20 घंटे तक अगर ऐसा अनअटेंडेड रखे विदाउट एनी मेडिकल हेल्प, वो कैसे जिंदा रहेगा। ये सिर्फ एक घटना नहीं है, ये एक इनोसेंट लाइफ का मर्डर, अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर।
In Noida, rescuer Dr. Anvesha's adopted stray was hurled off a building, allegedly murdered for no reason.
एक बच्चा है 7 months ओल्ड, वो मिक्स ब्रीड अबंडन मुझे मिला था शिवरात्रि के दिन इस मार्च में। तब से उसको बड़ा करना, सारे उसके वैक्सीनेशन देना, बहुत ही प्यारा बच्चा मेरा बुल्लू। इतना प्यारा बच्चा 19 जुलाई को वो गायब हो गया। पोस्टर लगवाए, 1000 रुपीज़ का अवार्ड रखा, तब जाके मुझे एक दिन रात को खबर आता है कि मैडम एक बच्चा रो रहा है सेक्टर 143 में लॉजिक्स ब्लॉसम जेस्ट के छत पर, जो कि अबंडेंट है और टेरेस पे किसी को अलाउड नहीं है। मुझे गुल्लू वहाँ पे मिला। एक गार्ड ने मुझे बताया कि मैडम 2-3 लोग उसको किडनैप करके लेके आए थे और वहीं बंद कर दिया। वो बच्चा जब आया इस हालत में था, मेंटली ट्रॉमाटाइज, फिजिकली इतना वीक, उठ के खड़ा भी नहीं हो पा रहा है। उसको गोदी में लेके आई, 22 जुलाई की घटना है। फिर 29 जुलाई को 29 को अचानक उसका खाना बना के मैं तैयार हो रही थी। उस दिन बहुत बारिश हो रही थी कि बस मैं अब थोड़ा बारिश कम हो, गुल्लू को जाके खिला के आऊँ। पता चला कि मैंने फ़ोन आया, मैडम आपका बच्चे को किसी ने फेंक दिया, वही लॉजिक्स ब्लॉसम जेस के छत से। जब मैं गई उसको देखने, थोड़ा सा आंखें खोली उसने, वही दम तोड़ दिया। 3 लोगों ने उसको वही छत से फेंक के मार दिया।
And in case after case, there are even reports of sexual violence against dogs, unspeakable acts with barely any punishment.
There was this guy who was preparing for UPSC. So one night, I heard my dog crying. My dog means the dog that is in front of my house. She lives there. So I went out in the balcony. I saw that guy who was preparing for UPSC. If he clears the exam, he will be a bureaucrat from our country. And he was sexually assaulting a dog. He was touching her inappropriately on a private path. And that poor dog was in pain. She was crying.
In Subhash Nagar in 2019, there was this person. He was worth crores. He was a RWA guy. He had a habit that he would first give a biscuit or two to the dog. And people used to see because the dog would keep crying, once the dog was picked up. And he would only target female dogs. And then quietly pick them up and go to rape them. And this went on for quite a few years. One day, what happened was, because his shanty was behind his house, there was a little rustic hole in the door. So somebody went and put a camera inside it just to see what this person is doing. And then they saw this person whole naked raping the dog. And we got to know about it in 2022. He was arrested and he was in the jail for 6-7 months.
So there was another incident, I don't know if I should tell you or not. I will not name that person, but he's a commissioner. I went to feed my dogs in the evening and I was not able to find one of my dogs. So apparently, unke driver, I found him sitting behind a wall and he was masturbating that male dog. When I confronted him, he was like, "Bhaiya galti ho gayi, maaf kar do." Ye galti hai. And that was not the first time he was doing it. There could be multiple times with multiple dogs. So all these things are never recorded, not on social media, not on the media, not on TV channels.
Studies show that people who are engaging in sexual activities with animals have a 93% chance of raping children in their next move, because they are targeting vulnerable groups.
According to the Federation of Indian Animal Protection Organizations, about 8% of documented animal cruelty cases involve sexual violence. Yet prosecutions and convictions in such cases remain extremely rare.
There was this person who used to rape cows every day. So there was a video that went viral and someone called me and this person was mentally upset or something. As per the police, not as per us, of course, So I called, I was speaking to the IO on call, because IO was perplexed, he was, "Sir, aap bata dijiye kis pe file karna hai section pe." And I said ki, this is rape. And he said, "But sir, aapko to pata hai, ab janwar ka rape hata diya gaya section ka."
Under the 377 Indian Penal Code, animals were bestiality or sexual offences against animals was specifically punishable. That for some reason has been omitted when the Indian Penal Code turned into Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. But that does not mean that sexual offences against animals are not an offence anymore. Under the 325, section 325 of BNS, which is injuring an animal or mutilating an animal, it largely remains covered. Also, it remains covered under section 11. However, the specific horrific and heinous nature of the offence is not specifically punishable. It should be specifically made punishable in a very, very strong manner, because this is not just cruelty, this is sadism and this is psychopathy.
एक लेडी थी, उसने एक कुत्ते के ऊपर से गाड़ी निकाल दी. अब उस लेडी के लिए ये आंसर था कि कुत्ता ही तो है.
गैयाओं के लिए गौ रक्षक हैं, हमारा रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट काफी है. तो कुत्ते तो ये बेचारे पकड़ में आ जाते हैं, इनोसेंट होते हैं, ट्रस्ट करते हैं, इनको उठवा के फेंका देते हैं, इनके पपीज की आंखें नहीं. ये मेरे साथ इंसिडेंट्स हुए, इनको उठा के फेंकवा दिया.
केशवपुरम की रेड लाइट पे उसके सामने एक नहर पड़ती है, वहाँ पे डॉग्स को काट के मार के फेंका गया है, क्योंकि 2 दिन में बारिश हो रही थी, तो ये बॉडीज डिस्पोज ऑफ हुई हैं बड़ी बुरी तरह से, ना इनकी पहचान ना हो सके, इनको इतने बुरी तरह कुचला गया है और उसके बाद इनको यहाँ पे नहर पे फेंक दिया गया है.
These are not isolated horrors. They are part of a growing pattern of cruelty and a system that looks the other way.
और हमें बताया जाता है कि एज ए पेट पेरेंट हमारे पास अपने बच्चों के लिए लाइसेंस होना चाहिए. वो है हमारे पास, आई एम श्योर ज़्यादातर पेट पेरेंट्स के पास होगा. बट सरकार क्या ये इंश्योर करती है कि जितने भी पेट बोर्डिंग फैसिलिटीज है ऑल ओवर इंडिया, उनके पास लाइसेंस है? ये नहीं देखती है. ये डॉग्स एंड मी पेट रिजॉर्ट जो कि यूरोप में है, 10 साल से आते से चला रहे थे, और उनके पास सरप्राइजिंगली 0 लाइसेंसेस है. पेट से रिलेटेड जो इंडस्ट्री चला रहे हैं, उनके पास लाइसेंस है कि नहीं, ये सरकार कभी नहीं देखती है.
When I confronted the commissioner, he said, I called the police. I took him to his house with the police. He sent him to his village, and after 2-3 months, the driver was back on duty.
Under India's Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, the fine for most offences is disturbingly low, just 10 to 50 rupees for the first-time offenders and only 100 for the second-timers. And the amount hasn't changed in over 6 decades. This is the cost of a meal, not a life.
So in India, if you abuse, rape, even kill an animal, you can get bail at ₹50. The Animal Prevention to Animal Cruelty Act 1960 has not been amended once. India has seen 106 amendments to the constitution, but this law has not been amended.
If it's a case of serious animal abuse, the person is not going to get away with a meager penalty provided under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, because they will also be charged under Section 325 of the BNS, which provides for a jail term of up to 5 years or fine or both. So I think one needs to look at it holistically.
There is also now a stronger provision, which is Section 325 under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and several other sections of BNS, which can be invoked for cruelty towards animals. These sections are cognizable, and what remains is now the last mile is the person who has witnessed such cruelty or has learnt about this cruelty to actually write a complaint and give it to the nearest jurisdictional police station. If we don't speak up against animal crime, we cannot limit the law for not being followed or enforced.
Most police don't register FIRs. Even when they do, cases drag for years and the accused walk free.
CCTV कैमरा निकाला, मैंने फुटेज निकाला, पुलिस को कॉल किया, ना पोस्टमार्टम हुआ, ना किसी पुलिस ने मेरी रिक्वेस्ट मानी, ना FIR ली गई मेरी.
Their attitude is so, it really angers one when you're dealing with the police on ground. The chalky people don't even know. There was this one case where the dog was beaten with a rod only because he barked, early on in the morning. The person was drunk and he came out with a rod and kept on beating the dog, and the dog was all blooded. The chalky person came. I was on a call and he said, हाँ ठीक है, अब क्या कर सकते हैं? मरने तो वाला है ही है.
While all cruelty to animals is covered under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, the penalties remain low. Most of the offences are non-cognizable. Hence, getting the police to act against such offences is difficult.
And what's worse is India does not have a formal record of this cruelty. The NCRB does not include offences under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. For rescuers like Dr. Anvesha, pet parents like Abhishek, the battle isn't just legal, it's deeply personal.
3 लोगों ने उसको वही छत से फेंक के मार दिया. सैडिस लोग, ग्रजेस, एक वॉइसलेस पे ऐसे अत्याचार करते हैं ये लोग.
पहले से अब चीज़ें बहुत बदल गई हैं, इमोशनली, फिजिकली, हर चीज़ में. जब बिजली कड़कती है, बारिश भी हो रही तो डर जाता है. अगर जोर से अगर हम बातचीत करते हैं तो भी वो डर जाता है. कि बेड के पास भी ले जाना होता है तो डॉलर बहुत काम जाता है. विस्क्यू से अकेला जानने ही नहीं देता है.
Activists across India are demanding urgent change, tougher penalties, police training, and a national cruelty tracker. Because cruelty to animals isn't just about animals, it's a mirror of society's violence.
So yes, the financial penalty is very, very low. Animals can't raise their voice. There are so many cases of rapes that we encounter on a daily basis, of a female dog being raped, of a goat being raped, of a cow being raped. So these are anti-social elements in the society which are venting out their frustration and anger on these voiceless creatures, right? And animal abuse cases do not get punished because there is also a huge lack of insensitivity in our institutions like the police.
While absolutely there is an urgent need to amend the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, and PETA India and several organizations have been urging the government to do so.
Every time an animal is beaten, poisoned, or silenced, we lose a part of our humanity. Justice delayed for the voiceless is justice denied. Until the law changes, the stories will keep repeating.